Freshwater swamps on Rarotonga are on coastal plains and in flat-bottomed river valleys. Many of them have been turned into Taro plots. The area between the airport runway and Arvitu Sports Field, known as the Swamp, is filled with raised taro beds with irrigation channels between them. Young taro shoots were traditionally mulched with kikau, but black plastic and sheets of cardboard are often used these days. The irrigation ditches are home to freshwater fish and eels, and a playground for insects like dragonflies. They may become choked by grass and water plants, including the introduced Mexican water fern and water hyacinth. Near streams, taro is grown in ponds. Early Polynesian settlers constructed terraced taro plots in the Tupapa Valley, which are still in use today. The plots follow the contours of the land and are laid out according to customary ownership. Water is channeled from the stream to the top terrace, then down through the lower terraces until it rejoins the stream at the bottom. These wetlands have been drastically changed by man, but they are historically significant and a peaceful and beautiful place.